Hi, I'm Lids, and this is my 2016 bike check. This is a 2013 DK Elite Series complete bike, but I've changed out a couple parts. So I ride IDO Vans lock-on grips. I really like them. I don't know what my bars are because I just got them from somebody because my stock bars were too small. I also have a custom plate that I made. So it's made out of a cardboard box. Yeah. I have a stock brake cable, stock brake lever, stock stem, stock spacers, answer forks, and I ride Maxxis tires, and I just got this new wheel set. It has deep V velocity rims with Chris King hubs. I got this stock DK Elite bicycle frame. It's an Expert XL. I have a KMC chain with a MCS sprocket. I run a 43 in the front and a 15 in the back. I have stock 7mm cranks with Crank Brother Candy Ones clipless pedals, stock seat posts, stock seat clamp, stock brakes, same wheel set in the front as in the back, and then I have the PROMAX chain tensioners. And right here I have a bracelet that says "Find Your Reason," and I just put it on there to remind me why I race. It's not just to win races, but I do it to honor God. And that's my 2016 bike, and hope this was helpful, and thanks for watching.